Hello, you are welcome. My name is Dr. Kingsley. Welcome to Best Brain Academy. Today class, I'll be taking you on physics. And the topic I'll be taking you on is instruments used in measuring length. Instruments used in measuring length. In our last class, we talked about the units, different units, okay, for the measurement of length. Now we have now entered what? Instruments, okay, that is used in measuring length. Now I will list the instruments that is used in measuring length, okay, from the least distance that they can measure and so on, okay, some of them. Now the first one, the first instrument is a micrometer. Micrometer screw gauge. Micrometer screw gauge, okay. This instrument can measure up to 25 millimeter. That is, it can measure distance up to 25 millimeter. Number two is Vernier caliper. Vernier caliper can measure distance up to, okay, 30 centimeter. Okay, then number three, okay, we have the ruler. Ruler can measure distance up to 30 centimeter. Okay, then number four, okay, we have the meter rule. Meter rule can measure distance up to 1 meter, which is 100 centimeter. Then number five, okay, we have the surveyor's chain. Surveyor's chain can measure distance up to 20 meters. Then number six, you have a measuring tape. Okay, you can call it a tape rule. Tape rule can measure up to 100 meter depending on the type. Then number seven, you have a laser, okay. So laser distance meter, okay, that is the next. Laser distance meter can measure distance up to 300 meter. Then number eight, okay, we have the trundle, okay, trundle wheel. Trundle wheel can measure distance up to, okay, many kilometers. You can measure distance up to many kilometers. This is the one you use in measuring road. You can see them, okay, during road construction. Okay, so surveyor's chain is used in agriculture. Okay. Then we have number nine. I don't know if you can see here. So number nine, we have what? The last one, which is a odometer. Odometer can measure thousands of kilometer. So out of all of these, the one that measures the longest distance is what? Is the odometer. Is the one you use in the car. Okay, so it can what? It can record distance even until the lifetime of the car. So anywhere the car is going is measuring the distance, totality. That is a kind of recording. But you see, it is not what? Manual. The one that is manual, that can measure the longest, is what? Trundle wheel. You can use it to measure, okay, thousands of kilometers, okay, in as much as you keep rolling it. That That is the one that those people who construct road, they use. Now, we can take the important ones, okay, because of our class, especially for those people who are in senior secondary school, okay. The one that is important in senior secondary school that you must know is a micrometer, screw gauge, vernier, calipers, okay. You have the meter rule, the tape rule, okay. Now I will start with meter rule and the tape rule. Meter rule and tape rule, that is measuring tape. Now the meter rule measures distance, okay, short distance, like the length of reading table, the length of reading table. Then tape rule can measure longer distance than meter rule, such as the length of what? Of playground. So it can be used to measure the length of playground. Okay. Now, what again do we need to know about them? Their list count. Their list count. The list count is the what? The smallest division on the instrument. That is the list count. Now, if you look at a meter rule, okay, you see it is made of, some of them stick, while some is made of plastic. Now this is the what? Zero mark. Then you have 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 6 millimeter, 7 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 9 millimeter. At the 10th one, they have what? They have 1 centimeter. So you can now see from here, the least count is from here to here, which is 1 millimeter, 1 mm, okay, 2 mm. So from here to here is the least count, okay, the least division on that instrument. That is what we call least count, and is what? 1 millimeter. And 1 millimeter is also correspond to what? 0.1 centimeter. That is the least count. What is the accuracy? Accuracy. Remember, both meter rule and tape rule have the same least what? Count, and they have the same accuracy. What is the accuracy? Accuracy is what? Least count, okay, divided by 2, which is, of course, 1 millimeter over 2 if you are using millimeter, or if you are using centimeter, 0.1 centimeter over 2. That simply means that they are what? The accuracy of this what? Instrument is 0.5 millimeter or 0.05 centimeter. That is their least what? Count. Remember, accuracy, okay, is equals to what? Maximum error that the instrument can what? Can make, which is equals to 0.5 millimeter or 0.05, okay, centimeter. That is for meter rule